Welcome to this module on using the arm force field visualizer in Santos. This module will guide you in how to use Santos and the arm force field visualizer to estimate acceptable tolerances for unimanual tasks like this hose insertion. First, begin by building your posture prediction model in Santos. Once your posture is predicted, ensure that you have the point load added to the hand to represent the hand force, noting the direction of the applied hand load. In this case, the reaction force, or the force that would be applied to the body from the medial push. And once the point load and posture prediction have been correctly modeled, can then proceed to go to the Tools window, and from the visualizers, select the arm force field. This will allow you to configure your arm force field. First, begin by reviewing that you have the correct avatar selected in the window. Then, ensure that you have the correct gender of the population you wish to model. Then proceed to enter your applied forces. In this case, we're going to enter the insertion force for the left hand, which is based on the point load that we've created in our model. We'll apply that force. And now we'll estimate the acceptable force. On the bottom left, we'll see the percent capable, and on the bottom right, we'll see the maximum acceptable force that would accommodate 75% of the population. Now what's great is we can quickly iterate the applied hand force. So here we'll update it to 65%. And now we see that, 65 newtons, and we see that over 75% of the population would be accommodated, consistent with the markers in the bottom right. But now let's assume that we weren't interested in a one-time maximum, but let's assume that this task was actually performed 20 times within every 30 minutes for a duration lasting approximately 0.6 seconds per effort. So using the duty cycle equation published by Dr. Chim Potvin, we can update the acceptable arm force requirements to estimate what would be acceptable to 75% of the female population under the appropriate cycle time, frequency, and duration requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website or contact me by email.